In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress locally using LocalWP. First, open your browser and go to the official LocalWP website. Click the download button. Fill the form and download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation steps. After installation, launch LocalWP. On the main dashboard, click Create a new site. Enter your website name. Next, choose your preferred environment. Now create your WordPress username, password, and email. Click Add Site. LocalWP will now automatically set up your local server, database, and a fresh WordPress installation. This may take a minute. Once it's done, click WP Admin. Log in using the username and password you just created. And that's it. Your local WordPress website is now ready. You can start building, testing themes, installing plugins, or designing your site safely on your computer without buying hosting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow WP Studio Lab for more WordPress tutorials.